In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online, step by step. If QuickBooks keeps sending invoices automatically and you want to pause, edit, or completely stop them, this guide is for you. Don't worry if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in a simple way. Recurring invoices in QuickBooks are created using something called recurring transactions. These are templates that tell QuickBooks to send invoices automatically on a schedule. To stop the invoices, we need to turn off or delete that template. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small gear icon. This is called the Settings menu. Click on that gear icon. A menu will open. Under the Lists column, click on Recurring Transactions. This is where QuickBooks stores all automatic templates like recurring invoices, bills, and more. Now you will see a list of templates. Look at the Type column and find the ones labeled Invoice. These are the recurring invoice templates. You can also use the search bar or filters if you have many items. Once you find the recurring invoice you want to stop, look at the Action column on the right side. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to Edit. Here you have a few options, depending on what you want. If you want to completely stop future invoices, click Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Yes. This permanently removes the template, and no more invoices will be sent automatically. If you only want to pause the recurring invoice but might use it again later, click Edit instead. The template will open. At the top, you will see a field called Type. If it is set to Scheduled, that means QuickBooks sends it automatically. Change this from Scheduled to Unscheduled, then click Save Template. Now the invoice will not send automatically, but you can still use the template manually. You can also adjust the schedule instead of stopping it. While in the Edit screen, you can change the interval, start date, or end date. Setting an end date in the past will also stop future invoices. After deleting or editing the template, it's a good idea to go back to the recurring transactions list and confirm that the status is no longer scheduled. That's it. You have successfully stopped recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. Quick tip: stopping the recurring template does not delete invoices that were already created or sent. You will need to handle those separately if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.